Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this very beautiful stitch for your scarves. So as you can see, I've made with spaces here and one stitch, and on top of one stitch I'm going to make the other stitch, which is double crochet. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Then I'm going to make half double crochet in each of the stitches. Let's see, this is how it's going to look like. Then we're going to make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll turn round our work, yarn over. We're going to come over here in this first chain, right there, pull through, half double crochet and chain 2, yarn over, leave 1, 2 here, one single crochet, 1, 2, one single crochet, 1, 2, single crochet, 1, 2, one single crochet, 1, 2, one single crochet, 1, 2, and single crochet, 1 and 2. Then I'll make 2 double crochet, two single crochet, then going to come here in the last stitch there, so as you can see how it's going to look like. Then I'm going to chain 3, turn around our work. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Yarn over, I'm going to come right here in this space, do single stitch to come right here on top of this stitch, one single stitch on the second one over here, this one, one single stitch, and continue in the same sequence. In the last one, then chain 3. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. On top of one stitch, another stitch, then to turn around our work, yarn over, I'm going to come right here, chain 2, come right here, this space here, chain 1, and to continue the same way. Come right here, last one. To chain 3, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So it's the same one as this one there. You can see it is the same level, so we're going to continue the same way, the same sequence, till we'll get this beautiful scarf, which I have not yet finished. And you can make it for your own family members or for your personal projects. So I hope you liked this video. So see you next time in my next video. Till then, bye bye.